unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, Jay Robotics. Today we're diving into the world of tilt-switch modules. Our cast of characters includes the Arduino board, a tilt-switch module, and an LED. Join us as we unravel the principles of tilt sensing and its practical applications. Connect the LED's anode to digital pin 13, cathode to GND. Now tilt switch, VCC to 5V, GND to GND, signal to digital pin 10. This forms a seamless circuit. Tilt, LED lights. Stable, LED off. Simple as that. When tilted, LED lights up. In a stable position, LED goes off. Instant response for tilt detection, ideal for security and interactive applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends,